Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have OnePlus Pad Go 2. In this video let me show you how to fix app crashing or freezing on this device. So if an application on your OnePlus Pad Go 2 is crashing or freezing, it is usually due to some cached data error. So on your home screen you want to long press the crashing application like this, and then you want to tap app information. Now go to storage usage, and from here under cache section you will see clear cache option. Let's tap it to clear your cache from this application. So after this your application should work normally. That's it. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.